introducing the 2014 Audi A3 sedan. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car guides. The owner reported a malfunctioning O-port, but during our inspection, we discovered that the entire infotainment system was offline. This included a non-responsive touchscreen. To diagnose the issue, we connected a 5054 diagnostic head to the vehicle's OBD-II port. We then launched the diagnostic software and selected the module specific to the Audi A3 coded AU37. This revealed several faults marked in red, indicating possible current or historical issues. The main control unit, labeled as 5FE Electronic Information Equipment, was completely unresponsive. Despite efforts to reconnect, it seemed there was no communication from the module, likely due to a wiring or hardware malfunction within the module. To further investigate, we accessed the main unit hidden inside the glove compartment. We used a Volkswagen Audi CD key to easily remove the unit by inserting the key into two specific slots. This enabled its extraction. Upon closer inspection, the plug connections appeared secure and undisturbed. To test the main unit's functionality, we replaced it temporarily with a similar unit from an A6. This unit didn't need to connect to the display. Its main plug was sufficient for recognition. Once powered, the A6 unit functioned properly, displaying its specific part numbers, confirming the original unit's defectiveness. Based on these findings, we recommended upgrading to a newer MIB to unit compatible with Apple CarPlay. This upgrade significantly enhanced functionality beyond the basic radio and AUX. The customer appreciated understanding the benefits, especially CarPlay's interactive features, making the interface more user-friendly. For this installation, we selected a compatible MIB-II from models like the A4, Q5L, or A5, which offered a cost-effective alternative to a direct A3 replacement. This approach saved costs while upgrading the functionality. Moreover, to fully activate CarPlay features, we opted for a Volkswagen base part which was less costly than the Audi equivalent, ensuring compatibility and maintaining quality without breaking the bank. Additionally, the upgrade required switching to a larger 7-inch screen to support the new system's higher resolution. Since the original unit lacked Bluetooth, we also installed a microphone, utilizing a Volkswagen part, to enable hands-free calling and voice commands, essential for modern driving. For the complete setup, we fitted a new plug compatible with the CarPlay system, achieving seamless integration with the car's existing infrastructure. The USB base was directly connected, eliminating the need for extensive modifications inside. The new setup not only improved aesthetics with a larger screen but also expanded functionality, including music options via USB, Bluetooth, and SD cards. It also integrated smartphone mirroring technologies. The final step involved installing a wireless projection device in the USB port, allowing the customer's Huawei phone to connect effortlessly. This flexibility showed the system's adaptability to various smartphones. This comprehensive upgrade significantly enhanced the infotainment capabilities of the Audi A3, aligning it with current automotive technology standards, thereby improving both the utility and the driving experience for the owner. Enjoyed this transformation? Hit that subscribe button for more.